I'm what someone might call your average drone hobbyist. I like to fly over my subdivision to see what it looks like, fly over parks for fall foliage. I like to record videos of landscapes and just kind of generally explore from the air where it's allowed. Now, good or bad, I'm not always on top of everything with my hobby. If there's a firmware update, I install it. If there's a safety update, I install it. I don't always follow up on the minutia of the update itself. You know, I'm not a Part 107 pilot. I'm just a regular person who flies once in a while for fun. A month or so ago, I had a hell of a time taking off from my backyard. Now granted, my backyard is at an intersection of 3 controlled airspaces because I have 3 airports that are all nearby. But usually all I had to do is submit an authorization request using the normal DJI zone unlocking process and everything would be fine. But all of a sudden that just kind of stopped working. I mean, every single one of my requests would get rejected no matter what I tried. I couldn't get the drone up from my backyard. Recently, and by recently, like within the last couple days, I had a few ideas I wanted to try as far as getting the drone off the ground. And when I took it outside, lo and behold, it just took off. No locks, no geofencing, nothing. So I'm thinking, this is awesome. And then I kind of wondered why, but you never really followed up on the reason. Then this morning I discovered that DJI had removed all geofencing from my drone. I mean, no more locking out of airspace, so great. In fact, my remote control no longer even shows the old DJI geofence maps. It was replaced with FAA maps. So my little conspiratorial opinion on this is I think China's getting pissed off at the US with everything they're doing. So they opened this geofence as maybe like a way to kind of give the middle finger to the US government. I mean, currently the government's engaged in banning TikTok and trying to ban DJI drones in the name of national security. In my opinion, I think Zuck and his Meta boys just lobbied the crap out of Congress to get rid of TikTok, and Altel lobbied the crap out of Congress to get rid of DJI. Because if you can't beat them in a fair competition, just get them banned. So anyway, what does this mean? To me, it means as drone pilots, we have to be more responsible now more than ever. Our world has opened up, and with that comes extra responsibility to be good stewards of the drone hobby. I mean, now that the geofencing isn't going to stop me, does that mean I can fly over a baseball game? Well, of course not. I still have to be aware of my flight path, follow FAA rules and regulations, and always fly in a proper and safe manner. To help me keep track of my airspace, I'm using an app called Flight Ready. And it's actually less restrictive than DJI because it shows the FAA maps, so it shows that I'm not in a controlled airspace where DJI would say that I was. So I don't know, maybe the data in this app is questionable, maybe there's a better option. Let me know in the comments if you use something different. That said, please fly safely and continue to enjoy your drones. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.